Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live here in the 6 o'clock hour on this Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We have some unsettled weather. It's very slippery out there, and here's what you need to know. It's a first alert weather day for Tuesday because our impacts from tonight's weather will be compounded tomorrow by persistent snow during the overnight hours. And temperatures fall, so wet roads will become icy. So with falling temperatures and slick road conditions, you'll need to stay ahead of the game with the Valley News Live weather app. Search VNL Weather in the App Store today. There you will find updated videos and forecasts from our team, and that's what makes our app better than the ones that come on your phone. So be sure to download that. Here's what we're looking for as far as snow. On top of what we've measured already, and you heard 1 to 3 inch reports already, so not a whopping amount of snow, but by morning we're going to add on top of that. Many of us in this lightest blue of shades here will see a trace to an inch. That does include Fargo, Grand Forks, and much of Lakes Country. However, we're going to see pockets with 1 to 3 inches on top of what we already have plus. So keep that in mind. By morning, we're going to have some challenges, and the wind picks up as well. We'll detail it in hour by hour style in a minute. Right now, let's get you to the latest conditions. Showers and storms continue to swirl their way up into portions of Wisconsin. Look at this. Minneapolis seeing rain become snow fairly quickly in the area, so that travel is going to be compromised. But it's been snowing for the better part of the day in the eastern portion of the Dakotas, and now Sioux Falls starting to see some heavier bands setting up. Reports of 1 to 3 inches in southeast North Dakota. The heaviest bands of snow extend from western Cass County near that Castleton area where we did hear of some icy roads causing multiple crashes there. So you can expect that both eastbound and westbound there will be some slower traffic. Also some very slippery conditions reported up in northeast North Dakota. And again, on the Valley News Live weather app, you can get the latest road reports as well. Wind starting to pick up in Grand Forks in the northern valley and out to the west. Most of us at 10 to 20 miles per hour, but some gusts are starting to rear up to around 30 plus miles per hour. Visibility in Roseau 2 miles, and it's under that in the Oaks area where the snowbank continues. Not too terribly low yet, but here's what we have going on. See Hutch's white line, that's the freezing line, and along it and to the right of it, we have warmer temperatures, including Wadena above freezing, 32 for Babe the Blue Ox, 19 Howlock, 16 for Langdon. Right now, Grand Forks, you have 20, and it's 22 in Jamestown. So the coldest of the air is working its way in from the northwest, and that trend will continue as well because we have north and northwesterly winds. 22 miles per hour, light snow, and 24 degrees reported at Hector. Moorhead, your airport, has 25 degrees. Watch temperatures now as we go through now to midnight. The snow showers continue here. Heavier bands off into parts of central and eastern Minnesota. Some of you in western Minnesota and our counties will start to see some of your first snowfall during the overnight hours. This presses south as we go through, but notice this, the green arrows show that wind picks up. So colder temperatures means a fluffier flake as opposed to those wet, soggy ones that we got today. And they're going to blow and they're going to drift. Now, the morning will be a challenge on the commute side thanks to the fresh snow that falls overnight. It will be slippery. Allow extra time. I'm concerned about the afternoon because some of the light, fluffy snowflakes that we get in the morning will continue to blow all day with gusts over 20 and even 30 miles per hour at times. And temperatures that will be steady to falling throughout the day. Look at this. Afternoon temperatures sneaking into the single digits up north. All right, again, another 1 to 3 inches for many, a trace to an inch for most of the rest of us, including Fargo and Grand Forks. Steady temperatures in the morning with snow showers ending. The gusty north winds continue and temperatures will fall. And I'm going to tell you, the weather on Sunday was a whole lot brighter. Angel the llama would agree. All right, let's take a look at your forecast now. We stay cool Wednesday, Thursday, another flake or two, mainly to the south. Then, Stacy, as we head into the weekend, it looks like a nice rebound there, eh? Why'd I say eh? Well, I guess we're kind of close to Canada, so that counts, eh? 26 on Sunday.
You did it again.
I did it again.
Well,
once I get in it, it's called a habit.
Yeah. Both Hutch and I's teams are already out, but we'll tell you what Vikings fans now have to say about their season coming to a close. That's next. I don't think we should